In this problem, there's an equation with a variable in the denominator. The equation we're asked to solve is x minus 2 over x equals 1. In order to solve this, we will need to clear the fraction by multiplying through on both sides of the equation by the least common denominator, or the least common multiple of the denominators. In this case, the only denominator is x. So I multiply both sides of the equation by x. I multiply x times, and I use parentheses and I write the entire side of the equation, x minus 2 over x equals x, and then I write the other side of the equation, which in this case is just 1. Now when I multiply, I have x times x minus x times 2 over x equals x times 1 is x. When I multiply here, I have x squared minus x times 2 divided by x will be 2, and that equals x. And notice here that the denominators are cleared. Now I have a quadratic equation, and I want to subtract x on both sides to get 0 on one side of the equation, and that gives me x squared minus x minus 2 equals 0. I'll copy that here. And in order to solve this, I first see if I can factor. Well, I notice that if I write this as two binomial factors, there are two numbers whose product is negative 2, whose sum is negative 1. Those are negative 2 and positive 1. So this does factor. And I need to now set each factor equal to 0 using the principle of zero products. I have x minus 2 equals 0, or x plus 1 equals 0. Solving for x, I have x equals 2, or x equals negative 1. Both of these numbers, when I substitute into the original equation, make the equation true. So I can state the solutions are 2 and negative 1.